Peace, peace, good people. You should already know you back with your homeboy Wrenchturna. You see where I'm at. I am on location at my shop. And today, I'll be working on a turbo, I'll be cleaning it up, I'll be installing the blower valve, and getting it ready to go into a car. Not mine, but into a car. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you watch to the end of the video, and you know what's next. Run my intro.
Let's get it, baby.
Tonight I'm feeling heavy.
Feeling real heavy.
Lights down low. It's C-Pop,
baby.
It's time to do.
What we gonna do?
Tonight we gon' ride. Tonight we gon' ride.
Don't you hate when you come to the bank and they just keep sending the thing back and forth. Like, you can't send any coins. You can't send like anything heavy. So why are you sending things back and forth? If you're cashing a check, then you send a check, you get the money back. That's that. If you need something to be taken out as far as bill pay, that's what they give you these little pieces of paper for. I don't know, man. I try to not get pissed off about a lot of stuff, but some stuff really have me wondering, like, what are you doing? Yeah, I mean, I'd be wishing I was a eye in the car or something, like, just so I could see, like, what are you doing? And then when I think about it, like, my mom used to do the same thing. And I remember being small and whatnot, they would send the lollipops back or whatever. Like whatever color you wanted and all that. It seemed right out here without my shades, but it is what it is. I remember being young and getting the lollipops back and all that. And I didn't remember what my mom was doing to send it, get it back, and send it and get it back again. I don't know if your parents or you do that. What are you doing when you're sending the thing and you get it back and you send it and you get it back? And I've been sitting behind this dude right now for 3 rotations. He sent it, got it back, sent it. Yeah, 3 rotations. I'm wondering what is he doing. I can see these old type, but come on, man. I don't have time to just be sitting here waiting. I'm not here to cash no check. I'm here to make a deposit. So let me get here. Let me send my money. Send me my ID back. Give me my receipt. Gone.
Godi was good, my nigga. And Low was good, my nigga. Ayy, 100, Tony, yeah. Hey, look, 6 something roll up. Bitch, I love them forward. Left and right, earlobe. Looking like an iceberg. I don't need your chick, man. My confidence is skyward. Motherfucker G4, jet, I your flyer. I'm dressing like I should be on someone's college campus. So yeah, it's on that branch. Competition doesn't matter, no. 100 food camp. Straight up out that zoo fam. Bitches in the hood looking for me like some food stands. Yeah, I want the world, but I just made a new plan. Take over my state and the rest of it to fall in. Yeah, I tell them that with a whole stack of money, I can play a game with your life like Jumanji. Sure. Hey yo, Godi, listen closely. Kill the rap game or take it hostage, you're choosing. Yeah, they say I'm caked up every day. Bitches hooked on me like black tar heroin.
Roll up, smoke up, sip something, drink up. C-Pop, buck, everybody hollering, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Cause in the street, that's what they holler. If your own white walls got a slab on bowls, hit the strip with your old school on 24s. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. In the street, that's what they hollering.
Oh yeah, clarity, your rhymes give me allergy. Burn you like a calorie and charge you like a battery. Got caps like salary, drinking on that sweet gin. If you act like Michaels, you get kicked in your sweet chin. Throw you off the deep end, then wait for the feedback. Yo, we got his first ball, I can hear a C crack. I'm hungry Blak, we can have a match off. beating me, you got better luck playing scratch off. I cannot slick, reap, patch off. Tragic, throw him in the bag, then I throw him in a casket. 4-2 acid, I'm similar to soda. I'm too dry, I can't land, man. I'm nothing like a rover in a kid. Them Mike J's honey, my flow gonna bubble like Mike J's monkey. Click too funky, and my click proper. Like Julius Irvin introduce you to a doctor.
Roll up, smoke up, sip something, drink up. See part, buck, everybody hollering, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Cause in the street, that's what they holler.
If your own white walls got a slab on bows, hit the strip with your old school on 20 bows, oh yeah,
Oh yeah,
oh yeah,
oh yeah,
oh yeah.
that's right.
In the street, that's what they holler.
Ballin' like Spalding, no fatigue, no exhausting. Your money coming short while mine's constantly evolving. Money we be talking, the flies niggas in the room. Ride by them haters in the ass and all you hear is racing to the money fan biz. We are them boys, a pimp boy. See I get more ass than the hemorrhoid. They need to get their dollars up. Matter of fact, they out of luck. Black diamonds glitter, even Twitter wanna follow us. Of course we got the models up. Bang them like an 808. No hands, watch they booty shake just like the Haiti quake. Getting major paper, so the cake is coming easy bait. I ain't hating, I'm just motivating like a Jeezy tape. With just a little bit. Jewels around my neck, remind them of who they really with. No, I'm not concealing it. Feel like a spaceship when I hop up in that great pause. I'm Jordan at the free throw line. Watch me take off.
Roll up, smoke up, sip something, drink up. See part, buck, everybody hollering, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Cause in the street, that's what they holler.
If your own white walls got a slab on bows, hit the strip with your old school on 20 bows, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
In the street, that's what they hollering.
Bottoms up, let's do this. Oh yeah, refix. Shawty fuck with Crip Avatar, got a blue bitch. She ain't used to traveling, but it don't matter. And I beat her on the first night, nigga, Mary Magdalene. She love how I ride clean, love how I talk shit. I love how she ride dick, throw it back, tight fit. C-Park Blak got it, flows infectious. And to keep the ratchet on swole like precious. Jim Duggan with the hacksaw, y'all get injured. Cut a nigga down, spin around yelling timber. Armor on the breastplate, Kevlar out the gate. Bout dead presidents, Lawrence Tate. Blow push at your wake with your man while I peep in. Looking at this nigga like, damn, still sleeping. Die about some cake, I'm nasty like Nate. Want your cocktail fruit? Time's up, checkmate. Roll up, smoke up, sip something, drink up. See part, buck, everybody hollering, oh yeah, oh yeah.
And the blow-off valve that I'm going to be installing comes from the good guys over at Eurotuning. If you don't know, visit them, Eurotuning.com. Hope you guys see that. And got your screws in here. The missus put them in a bag because they was just in here by themselves. They wasn't in a bag or anything, the screws, anything. So you see the bottom of it. Yeah, you can see it now. It has what is a gasket, so you don't have to put your own gasket on there. And on the actual turbo, it should be a gasket on there. Take this gasket and put it back here. So then you'll have a gasket for your sensor that you will need to connect. That's if you are dealing with a Volkswagen or Audi. Porsche, Lamborghini.
I got the concrete flow. I got the concrete flow.
That's what they say.
Okay. I got the concrete I got to go. Hey. My backhand ready, IBMC. Known to show up like L my feast. Not talking about pimpin', still ain't simpin'. D&G shades, nigga crush white linen. Ain't shit changed, still spit flame. Put a dot on the target, marksman aim. They wonder if my reign will last like King James. Don't worry, grip tighter than the pants on Wayne. Samurai slice, chop them up dice. Pick them up, spin around, trash, no dice. 6'3" frame, got the power of tight. Mixed with some other shit, more like life. Back dude may have been a ball city boss, so Deuce has a nigga what's happening in the house. Tired of the front and cars you ain't whipping. Standing on the sideline, need to get it getting like whipping on the wall like you kinda afraid. I need everybody in here to come to the stage. And put your hands high like you glad I'm back. Let me get it so flat like you glad I'm back. Gon' tip the bartender fast like Bruce Jenner. First, no second, come rock with a winner. And put your hands high like you glad I'm back. Get it so flat like you glad I'm back. As I stand here in front of you, going off the blunt. Probably won't bite down, walk around, get down. You don't need no dough, push perk, got loud. Free max, bigger bell, Blak J like. No need to front and frown to me town. Where the Dutchess act, grab the bag and bust down. Call me Count Blackula, Dr. Yakula. Treat him like pancakes, flat you like a spatula. Heard a nigga feeling till he feeling unmasculine. Getting skinny jeans and the man start sagging. School of hard knocks where I'm from, you fagging. Trendsetter nigga, I don't even follow battering. Put him in the box, ship him out like cellophane. Tear the fucking roof off, Cat 5 hurricane. No juice, no chain, shine like a floodlight. Laughing at you niggas, spitting game in the club like ripping on the wall like you kinda afraid. I need everybody in here to come to the stage. And put your hands high like you glad I'm back. Let me get it so flat like you glad I'm back. Gon' tip the bartender fast like Bruce Jenner. First, no second, come rock with a winner. And put your hands high like you glad I'm back. Let me get it so flat like you glad I'm back. Gripping on the wall like you kinda afraid. I need everybody in here to come to the stage. And put your hands high like you glad I'm back. Let me get it so flat like you glad I'm back. Gon' tip the bartender fast like Bruce.
There's your blow-off valve installed. And you know, this is basically simple. Like, I would say to anybody, if the turbo is still on the car, don't even do it. Don't even attempt it. But this right here has to go also. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this off with just one hand. See this? This is what they use from the factory, and I like to call this some bullshit, because what I'm going to be putting into the turbo, which I am still waiting on, I don't know why it hasn't came yet, but I am waiting on the turbo flange, the turbo muffler delete, not turbo flange delete. I don't want to get cursed out or hung by people online by saying the wrong thing. But yeah, the turbo muffler delete. That's what I am waiting on, so that I can install that onto here and I can get rid of this. This is a hindrance, whether you know it or not, you guys. Cap off this video, I just wanted to make the announcement that today, the beginning of this week, we got the best news possible. We got approved for our IAA. So now we can buy and do all the things we want to do without a broker, without help, without somebody saying, hey, pay us and you can get what you need. So I am in the greatest of spirits. This is the best news that I could have gotten to begin my week. So I'm gonna end this video. You know the vibes. Make sure you stop by Boston Bridges. Stop by Stay Fly. Hey, we just did something new with the website, so check it out. And new merch is coming soon. Spring is on the horizon, so you know what's going on. I'll talk to you guys real soon. Make sure that you remember somebody loves you. Stay up. Wrenchturna out. Wrenchturna out.